Hello, guys. So, I welcome you to the lecture number 2 of real analysis. So, in the last lecture, we have gone through the definition of set, the representation of sets, and few numerical examples. Okay, so today we'll continue the that. So, without wasting time, let's start the lecture 2 of real analysis. So you have got that what is a tabular form representation of set and what is set builder form, right? Now, after that, what we have to study, okay, before that, some notations that you have to know about the set of numbers. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, so now it is very clear. See, always focus on where I am highlighting. See, the following standard notations are used for the set of numbers. I hope you all have heard about natural numbers, right? So, okay, what is natural numbers? The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, like that. So, if we represent them n such that n is a natural number, then they are just our positive integers, right? So, set of natural numbers. Then, as I have said, natural number is what? Our positive integers. So, negative integers do also exist along with 0. So, if we consider all of them, that is, say, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, in this side, -2, -3, dot, dot. Okay, so if I will, this will continue up to infinity. Okay, this will be carry on. So that set, which is including all the positive natural numbers and the negative ones along with 0, then that will become the set of all integers, and we use the symbol capital Z to represent the set of all integers. So set of all integer P such that P is an integer. Okay, I hope up to now you got it, that how to represent the sets. मुझे शायद इसको दोबारा बोल मतलब I don't need to explain it again. I hope you have got it. ठीक है, फिर भी आप लोगों को लगता है कि कुछ डाउट है तो आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं. I will explain that part. Right. Now, तो set of natural numbers हो गया, set of integers हो गया. The next thing is set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. So what is that? So rational numbers means those numbers which can be represented in the form, say, P by A, numerator divided by denominator. Okay, but तो ये एक्चुअली क्यों होगा, यहाँ पे मैं दिखा देता हूं आपको. If x is a rational number, अगर ये x rational number है, then I will represent x as P by Q. Okay, I can write every rational number in the form of P by Q. So here one condition will exist, that is Q should not be equal to 0. If Q is equal to 0, then this will become infinity. Okay, and to represent these rational numbers, we wanna use capital Q. Okay, so capital Q represents set of all rational numbers. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, then next we have R, that is R stands for all numbers, real numbers. Okay, R stands for real number. Those which are not imaginary, you can consider them as what? Real number. सारे वो सारे numbers जो imaginary नहीं है. And what is imaginary number? Okay, I hope you know that sometimes we represents few numbers in the form of a plus ib. A is the real part and B is the imaginary part, and I. Okay, so this type of numbers are known as imaginary numbers. Okay, if we means do not consider them, then all numbers are our real numbers. So we will use capital R to represent the set of real numbers. Clear? So we have got N as a set of natural numbers, capital Z, set of all integers, Q, capital Q, that is set of all rational numbers, and capital R as set of real numbers. Is this clear? Okay, don't worry, we will gonna discuss the real numbers in details. Now, next thing, a set is said to be finite. Now, next concept that will come to our mind, that finite set and infinite set. ठीक है? And infinite set. So let's come to the finite set. So a set is said to be finite if it has a finite number of elements. Okay, अगर कोई एक सेट में फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट, जैसे मैंने लिख दिया 1 2 3, ये क्या है? This set has 3 elements, right? Then this set will be a finite set, right? Similarly, if I write A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, that is a set of 5 elements. So a set is finite if it has finite number of elements, right? Finite number of elements. This finite number of elements means what? Our finite set. Then what is infinite set? Infinite set means our those set which has what? Our elements goes to infinity. Means अगर मैं simple word में कहूँ तो अगर मैंने ऐसा एक set लिखा, if I am writing a set like 1 2 3 4 dot 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 dot, means the numbers doesn't end. Okay, ये नंबर एंड नहीं हो रहा है, ये चलते जा रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. So this set will be our infinite. And so we got two types, finite and infinite. I hope this is clear and very, very easy point of view. So I don't think that it needs extra discussion. Okay. Now, an element of a set must be carefully distinguished from the set consisting of element. Thus, for instance, you must distinguish this. Okay, ये भी एक important point of view है. अब यहाँ पे देखो x, x, x. ये क्या है? Can you tell me how they differ from each other? Are you getting my question? मैंने एक बार क्या लिखा है? What I am writing? X, then X, then this one. Are they all same or they are different? What's your point of view? You may comment it. Okay. So please comment the answer. Don't worry, I'll discuss this in the next lecture. But do remember that we usually use this to represent a set, and this is an element of this set. Okay, अब ये हिंट को लेके ये प्रॉब्लम आप सोल्व कर सकते हो. क्वेश्चन क्या है, एक बार रिपीट कर रहा हूं. ये जो तीन आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, x, this bracket x, and this x, bracket under again bracket x, whether they are same or different, you will comment me the answer. Right, I'll discuss this in the next class. So now next we will come a very important point, that is equality of sets. Let's clear this first. Okay, तो पहला अभी आप एक चीज में आते हैं हम, equality of set. So any two sets are equal if they are identical. Thus, two sets S and T are equal, written as S is equal to if they consist of exactly the same elements. When the two sets S and T are unequal, we'll write it S is not equal to T. ठीक है, very short, very simple definition है. दो सेट, suppose S और T, दो सेट्स है. इन दोनों सेट को हम कब इक्वल बोलेंगे? इफ दे contains exactly the same elements. And अगर वो equal है तो we'll represent like that S is equal to T, or if they are not equal then we'll write S is not equal to T. Okay, now it follows from the definition that the set S is equal to T if only X belongs to S implies X belongs to T, and Y belongs to T implies X, Y belongs to S. ठीक है, तो कोई भी एलिमेंट X belongs to S, then this will implies what? This will implies X belongs to T also. ठीक है, or Y belongs to कोई भी any element. Okay, I am talking about any element. Y belongs to T implies Y belongs to S also. तब हम कह सकते हैं कि S is equal to, then we can say that these two sets are equal. ठीक है. Now S is different from TS plus T if there is at least one element in one of them which is not equal. But confuse मत हो. अगर कोई ऐसा एलिमेंट मिल गया जो X belongs to S but X does not, say X does not belongs to T, then this will imply what? This will imply S is not equal to T. ठीक है. Now if every member of a given set S is also a member of T, then we say S is a subset of T. S is contain. अब आते हैं हम नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, नोट डाउन कर सकते हो वो क्या है. ठीक है, सबसेट. आप लोग क्या करना, you guys prepare notes from my lectures. Okay, that will help you later to prepare for your exams, so the semester exam or competitive exam for which you are preparing for. Now next concept है subset का. So subset का definition: if every member of a given set S is also a member of T, मतलब X अगर S में है, X कोई भी एलिमेंट है और ये X T में भी है, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? S is a subset of T, और इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं हम ये वाली सिंबल से. We will represent this with this symbol. Okay, got it? और इसको कभी कभी हम ये भी बोलते हैं S is contained in T, क्योंकि हर एक एलिमेंट जो S में है वो T में भी है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि S is contained in T. क्लियर? ठीक है. ओके, देन इक्विवेलेंटली, तो सबसेट का डेफिनेशन क्लियर हो गया. Equivalently, we say that T contains S or T is a superset of S. अब S को हमने क्या कहा? S T का अगर सबसेट है तो T को हम क्या बोलेंगे? S का T को बोलेंगे S का सुपरसेट. गॉट इट? T को हम S का सुपरसेट कहेंगे, राइट? सो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? T S, superset of S. मतलब T contains S. This means all the elements of S belongs to T. So इसको बोलते हैं हम T superset of S. Right? So subset and superset concept clear? I hope this is clear. Right? So let's come to the next topic. The relation. हाँ, यहाँ और एक डाउन करना. अगर सबसेट नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली हम, अगर सबसेट नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे? If S is not a subset of T, okay, sorry. So S अगर T का सबसेट नहीं है तो सिंपली आप क्या कर दोगे? You will write like this. ठीक है, S is not a subset of T, और T is not a superset of S, तो उसको भी हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, we can write like this, so T is not a superset of P. ठीक है, okay. Now means that S is not a subset of T, that is there is at least one element in T which is not in S, right? So you can easily see that any two sets S and T are equal if and only if S is a subset of T and T is a subset of S. Now, next thing, write down that when we will say that S is equal to T. अब यहां देखा आपने S is not a subset of T. कब होगा? When there is at least one element in T which is not in S. ठीक है, इसको ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा है, तो आप ऐसे समझो, हमें डिफाइन करना है कि S इज इक्वल टू टी कब होगा, जब ऑब्वियसली S का हर एक एलिमेंट T में होगा. तो हम उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हाउ यू कैन राइट लाइक दैट? राइट दैट थिंग, S इज अ सबसेट ऑफ T, एंड ऑल्सो T का भी every element of T also belongs to S, so we can write like T is a subset of S. So when both these two occurs simultaneously, then this will imply what? S is equal to T. I hope this point is clear. Okay, that's what this is. Right, like this. Well, let's come to the next point. If S is a subset of T, but T is not a subset of S, then we say that S is a proper subset of T. Note that S is a subset of T, that is every set is a subset of S itself. आप लोग एक चीज नोट डाउन करोगे कि कोई भी सेट, every set, either A, B, or whatever the set is, this set is a subset of itself. क्योंकि देखो, एकदम सिंपल, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस इन फ्रॉम द वेरी बेस्ट थिंग, ठीक है, सो दैट नो कंफ्यूजन शुड ऑकर. अगर A1 2 3 हैं, so one, this element of A belongs to A, ठीक है, so 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A. This means that all the elements of A also belongs to LA. That's a simple thing, no? So we can say that A is a subset of itself. So yeah, that is what it is. This line is referring actually, that every subset set is a subset of itself. Now, if S is a subset of T, but T is अगर दिया हुआ है S is a subset of T, but T is not a subset of S. इसका मतलब क्या है? All the elements of S belongs to T, but where next T does not is not a subset of S means what? At least one element X belongs to T, but X does not belongs to S. यही हुई ना बात. तो तब हम बोलते हैं क्या है, जो S है proper, S is a proper subset of T. Are you getting my point? Because proper subset क्यों बोला मैंने? Because S का हर एक एलिमेंट T में है, but T में उससे भी कुछ ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स हैं. तो S purely contained in T, right? Are you getting my point? So इसीलिए ये confusion को दूर करने के लिए sometimes we write, actually we used to write this symbol to denote subset, and this symbol to represent proper subset. Got it? Is this clear? I hope this is clear. See, guys, I'm repeating again. If any doubt exists, do comment me. The discussion will be then more interactive. Okay. And also, whatever the questions I'm giving it to you, please take them seriously and do comment the answer. Okay, I'm coming to the next point. Another important concept is that a set of having no elements. Such a set, is called an empty set or a null set or a void set and is denoted by this. एक ऐसा सेट जिसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, okay, no elements exist, then that is known as empty set or null set or a void set. और उसको and we use this to represent that null set. You can say that there is only one element, sorry, there is only one empty set, that is O is unique, further O is a subset of every set. ठीक है. So क्योंकि A कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है तो ये क्या होगा? If this is a null set, I am referring suppose capital O. O जैसा दिख रहा है, I have no idea, but believe me, this is O. Okay, if this is an empty set, this does not have any element. So this belongs to every other set, right or no? So we can say that an empty is a set is a subset of every set. Please note down, empty set is a subset of every set. Clear? So why? I hope you have got it why. Okay, let's now 3 question मैं दे रहा हूं, note down करो. Please write this question. Okay, actually these are the statements, you have to verify them. Okay, and the first one is the set N is a proper subset of Z. And what is Z? Z is a set of integer. So आपको justify करना है जो set S of natural number है, that is a proper subset of Z. ठीक है, ये करने के लिए फिर से एक बार recall करिए आप लोग. Just recall the set of the means natural number. You know, natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then set of integers is what? Dot dot minus say 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 t. Right. If you consider this part, what is this part? This is n, set of natural numbers. So I can say that every element of x, if x belongs to n, okay, this implies x also belongs to z. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? n जो है, n is a proper subset of z, right? Why proper? Because there are some elements like 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, dot, dot, dot. These elements do not belong to n. So that is why I am writing n, that the set of natural number is a proper subset of set of integers, right? So पहला वाला हो गया. The first one we have just solved, right? So second one, the first one is complete. Second one, the set R is not a subset of Q. Now, what is Q? What is Q? Just I have explained, R is for set of real numbers. Q is for set of rational numbers. Up this question, you will try to solve it by yourself. You know, set of rational numbers means every element which can be represented in the form of P by A. P by Q, say P by Q. But one condition is there that Q should not be equal to 0. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका, this is Q, that is set of rational number. Then set of real numbers means all numbers except the imaginary numbers. Now, question is saying that, what question is saying? Let's see the question. Set or R is not a subset of Q. Now, I want the explanation of this from your side. Q R जो है Q का सबसेट नहीं है. Q आपने देखा वो सारे नंबर जिसको हम P by Q के फॉर्म पे लिख सकते हैं जहां Q 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, और हम बोल रहे हैं R जो है R क्या है, Q का सबसेट नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि R में कोई एलिमेंट ऐसा है, दिस मीन्स देयर एग्जिस्ट एन एलिमेंट X in R, but this element does not belongs to Q. Now find out that element. That is your task. Okay, do it. So next one, if A, B, C are any three sets such that A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C, then A is also a subset of C. Let's try this one. So A is a subset of B. This means what? For all X belongs to A, see, ये जो symbol मैंने लिखा, this is known as universal quantifier, that is for all. For all X belongs to A implies X belongs to B. Okay? Then B implies C is also given. ये तो दिया हुआ है. B is a subset of C. So this means what? For all X belongs to, say, Y belongs to B, this implies Y belongs to C. ठीक है? Now इन दोनों से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? What we can refer from this. For all X belongs to A implies X belongs to B. For all Y belongs to B, that implies Y belongs to C. But if for X belongs to A, for all X, or X belongs to A, तो इसका मतलब X belongs to B also, right? Clear or not? If X belongs to A, then X belongs to B also. So X belongs to C also. क्योंकि हमें मिला है, we have been given that for all Y belongs to B, Y belongs to C also. So we got that for all X belongs to A implies X belongs to C. Right? For all X belongs to A implies for X belongs to C. So this implies what? A is a subset of, or proper subset of, C. That's what we have to infer. That's what we have to prove. So just we have to prove it. ठीक है? कोई confusion नहीं? So that's how we can justify this type of questions or statements. Right? Okay. Now, while studying subsets, we generally fix a set and consider the subset of this set throughout our discussion. Okay, this set is usually called universal set. Up next concept जो है, what is the next concept? That is universal set. Universal set. And what is universal set? All the other sets belongs to this set. Okay, all the other sets belongs to this set. This universal set may vary from situation to situation. For example, when we consider the subsets of R, then R is a universal set. When we consider the set of points in the Euclidean plane, then set of all points in the Euclidean plane is a universal set. we shall denote universal set by x. यहाँ पे हम x से universal set denote कर रहे हैं. Generally आप you may find that in some books capital U is used to represent universal set. ठीक है. So universal set concept is clear. Universal set, I am repeating it again, is that set, okay, for a specific case where all the other sets are part of or contained in that set. इसका मतलब ये है आपने एक सेट ऐसा लिया है ताकि बाकी जो सेट्स हैं ए बी सी वो सारे सेट्स इन ये वाला जो यूनिवर्सल सेट है इसमें बिलोंग करते हैं, राइट. जैसे मैंने कहा आप रियल नंबर्स कंसीडर कर रहे हो तो रियल नंबर में आर अपने आप में एक यूनिवर्सल सेट हो जाएगा. यूक्लिडियन प्लेन कंसीडर कर रहे हो तो यूक्लिडियन पे ऑल पॉइंट्स इन ए यूक्लिडियन प्लेन इज विल बी द यूनिवर्सल सेट. सो it will vary from examples to examples. It basically depends on your problem that which will be your universal set. Now suppose that universal set x is given as x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now s is equal to 1, 2, 3. Up s is a proper subset of x, right? So consider a subset of x whose elements do not belong to S. So what will be that set? Means that set, say that set I am representing as a which is a subset of x but which is not equal to S, and that will be of course what? 4 and 5. So such set will be known as what? It is 4, 5, okay. This will be 5. Such a set is known as complement of S. ठीक है, मैं फिर से डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ. एक सेट मैंने लिया x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ठीक है. और एक सेट मैंने लिया 1, 2, okay, no problem, 3. Okay, now I have a set A 4, 5. Then this A will be known as complement of S. Okay, why? Because this 4 and 5 does not belong to S, but this belongs to X. So वो set whose elements are not contained in S, but it contains in X. That set is known as complement of S. Is it clear? I hope this is very much clear to you. So how we can define this? Let's come to the definition of complement of a set. Definition में हम देखते हैं. Let X be the universal set and S be a subset of X. The complement of the set S is the set of all those elements of the universal set X which do not belong to S. And we represent it with the help of SC. ऊपर C लिखा है. C stands for complement. Thus, if S is an arbitrary set contained in the universal set X, then the complement of S is the set SC such that it contains all the element X so that X does not belongs to S, but this X belongs to what? Our universal set. Okay, so this is the definition of complement. Similarly, if this concept complement set is clear, then we have next term power set. Power set. And we represent power set with the term P. So power set. Associated with each set, S is the power set P S of S consisting of all the subsets of S. ठीक है. So power sets means वो set जो इस particular set S का हर एक सबसेट को इंक्लूड किया गया है. मीन्स PS is the set which consisting of all the set subset A of S. ठीक है, अब complement of set clear and power set is clear. Don't worry, I'll go through some examples, so don't need to worry about. So let's X be a universal set and S be a subset of X, and you need to prove that power set of 0 is this null set and complement of complement S is set. ठीक है, ये दोनों आपको प्रूव करना है. मैं ये दोनों प्रूव करके दिखा दूंगा नेक्स्ट क्लास में, बट तब तक के लिए आप लोग क्या करो, ये दोनों को नोट डाउन करो और कोशिश करो. प्लीज ट्राई टू सोल्व दिस. ओके, please try to solve this. Now, for today, I am again bringing some more numerical examples of this equality of sets. Let me show to you. Okay. I hope जो भी अभी हम देख रहे हैं, जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, सब सारे चीज आपको समझ में आ रहा है, राइट? ओके. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. A, B, C given. A, X, Tx minus 1 is equal to 2. B, X is a natural number, but X is neither prime nor composite. And C, X and X is less than 2. Now you have to prove whether they are equal or not. And solution is, quickly give you the solution. I'm giving you the solution. Since X is this one, so say X Tx minus 1, that is 2. Okay, that will be only 1. And X is a natural number, but X is neither prime nor composite. So क्या होगा? Of course, the prime भी नहीं है, composite भी नहीं है, that will be 1. And this one, X is a natural number, but X is less than 2. So this means what? C also contains 1. So this means what? A, B, C, all are containing what? Only 1 element. So A, B, C are equal. Clear? Very easy था. So next देखते हैं. Decide whether set A and B are equal set or not. Give reason for your answer. A is even prime numbers. B is X as the 7X minus 1 is equal to 13. Okay. Let me give you the solution quickly, very quickly. Since A is even prime numbers, तो क्या होगा? Even भी होना चाहिए और prime number भी होना चाहिए. तो A is containing only 2 because 2 is an even and prime. Then B is equal to X, 7X minus 1 is equal to 13. तो क्या हो सकता है 2 का वैल्यू? Of course, 1 put करोगे, 7X is equal to 1, then 7 into 1 minus 1 is what? 6. Then 2 put karo, 7 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 13. So 2 is matched. So 2 is the element contained in B. So A is equal to B. So A and B are equal. Right? Clear? Then next example. Which of the following sets are empty set? You need to find out that they are empty or not. A is a natural number smaller than 0. B, X, X bar is equal to 0. Then C, X, 5X minus 2 is equal to 0. X belongs to N. Let me quickly give you the solution. A is a natural number smaller than 0. So obviously, A to natural number आपको पता है. You know natural number is starting from 1. So 1 से 0 से कोई 0 smaller element है ही नहीं. So we'll have an empty element. So A is an empty set, right? Then B, X into 2 is equal to 0. Of course, then X should be 2. Right? X should be what? 2 or no, this X should be 0 because 0 into 2 will be only 0. Or koi element low, then you will not get it. Okay, 1 into 2, 2, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So X should be 0. But इसका मतलब B में 0 है. एक element है जो क्या है 0. So B is not an empty set. Then similarly, C is equal to 5X minus 2 is equal to 0. And X is a natural number. ऐसा कोई element है 5 into 1 minus 2. No. 5 into 2 minus 2. No. There is no such element for which we'll get the equation to be satisfied. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. ऐसा कोई भी एलिमेंट हमें नहीं मिलेगा जिसके कारण 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 है, जो कि x एक नेचुरल नंबर है. So C is also an empty set. Right? Is this clear? So I'm again saying, for any confusion, you can ask me through comment. Right? So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So I hope this session on real analysis is going on swiftly and smoothly. And so if any problem occurs, then I hope you'll make it interactive by putting your comments. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.